Hello everyone, welcome to TechLabor channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Steam in your Windows PC or laptop. Now the first thing you have to do is open any browser and then in the address bar type in download Steam and then press enter from your keyboard. Now click on the first link, which is from store.steampowered.com. Now from here just click on install Steam. And as you can see, the download started and it is complete. Now just click on it. From here click on yes. Now we can minimize our browser. Now click on next. Select your language from here and then click on next again. You can select the folder where you want to install Steam by clicking on this browse button. I'll just leave it like that and then click on install. And as you can see, the installation is complete. Now if I click on finish, Steam will start updating, so just give it a moment. And as you can see, the update is complete and here is Steam. You can see the Steam icon on my desktop that I can just double click to open Steam. You can also go to start menu and here you can see Steam. Now if you have a Steam account, you can just enter your account name or username and then password and then sign in, or if you don't have an account, you can just create a new account from here. I have another video that shows you how to create a Steam account, so if you don't have an account, you can just watch that video from the video description. And that is how you can download and install Steam on your Windows computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.